So we got this 2019 Nissan Sentra SV. So we got a two coolant leak, as you can see, one coming from the water pump, and there's another coming from this hose right here. Just the heater hose. But it seemed like them blocked off the heat because it turned the heater hose because it just didn't turn it. Yeah. So we got the water pump from the zone. So this is the water pump. It seems like we got to work from the bottom. So I'm gonna drop the vehicle up. So this is a 2019 Nissan Sentra SV. Also, can you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel? Thank you. So let me get the jack and a jack stand to jack up the passenger side. So we're gonna let the coolant out. So now that we got the vehicle in it over here, so I'm gonna remove this guard right here. This copper tin. Okay, I'm gonna try and use the pliers to see if I could get it on. So I could not get the plug on the radiator pull, and I don't feel like I want to fight with the hose, the lower hose. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna set the jug underneath there and remove the water pump, and whatever in it just run right on. So we also remove the guard from underneath the wheel well guard. So now we have more space. So right now we're going to remove the tensioner. So now I'm going to remove the belt. So it's 14. So the belt is off. So we got at least 410, 1, 2, 3, 410 bolt to remove. We'll probably gotta shift the AC compressor out of the way to really get it on, or probably lower the engine also. So I loosen the compressor, the AC compressor. So I got at least a little bit more working room. So we got 5 bolts. this one close up to the underneath the alternator. So, and all 5 of them is 10. I love this Arbor Freight Hercules 3/8 drive, long neck. It's a pretty tool to really have. Like, it's really handy. Like, as you can see, get all the way in there. Oh, look at it. So now I'm using a 10 wrench to get to the one that's underneath the alternator. The engine a little bit hot, so it's better when it's really cold to really do this. It'll be better if you use a ratchet 10 wrench, would be better. Remember, I said that I cannot get the drain plug to remove, so I'm just gonna set the pan, crack it, let it just drain and stuff. I only got 2 bolts to remove. So we got the water pump out. So we're gonna clean up the surface, the area. So we're just gonna let it drain, and then get a razor blade and clean the surface.